How to mute sounds using your hand on the Samsung Galaxy S4. One of the most exciting features of the Samsung Galaxy S4 is the ability to control your phone with your body using the various sensors and cameras. By placing your hand over the light sensor, you'll be able to mute any sounds playing from your phone. Part 1 of 2. Setting up the palm motion feature. 1. Go to the Settings app. Look for the gear icon and tap it. 2. Tap on the My Device tab at the top to access your device settings. 3. Scroll down with your finger and tap on Motions and Gestures. It should be under the Input and Control section. 4. Tap on Palm Motion. If it's not already done, activate the feature by sliding the switch until it turns green, first. 5. Activate the mute/pause feature by sliding the switch. Optional. If you'd like, you can play the tutorial by tapping the text. Part 2 of 2. Muting sounds with your hand. This section will use the Music app as an example. 1. Go to the Music app and play a song as usual. 2. Place your entire hand on your phone with your palm touching the screen. 3. The song should now be paused. To resume playback, tap the play button. Explanation. The Samsung Galaxy S4 as well as the previous model, S3 contains a light sensor which detects changes in the ambient light in the environment. When your hand covers the sensor, this change is detected and the sensor communicates with the Android operating system to mute any sounds.